I used to hate mounting rooftop tents to the top of four-wheel drives until now. Got to check out our quick release rooftop tent mounting system. It's a game changer. Really reduces the time it takes to mount and take off your rooftop tents from the top of your vehicle. As you can see, we've now got one of the brackets mounted up onto the top of this alloy TrailMax rack. You can see that the locking mechanism is on the side in this case, and it's very easy to access both the keyed lock and the latch on the side. But as noted, we can also flip that around and have the latch at the back as well, or at the front of the rack for easy access. And it depends on which side you want to slide the rooftop tent from. Having it on the side like this means you can slide the tent on from the side. If you spin it round, you can slide it on from the back. So it depends on how you have your rooftop tent hanging in your garage or wherever you store it as to what's easier in your situation. Once it's, this is showing that the latch is actually in there and connected, obviously without the tent on there. But we'll just show you now how easy it is just to remove that from the top of the vehicle. Jump up the side here, flick the latch off the side. As soon as you do that, it takes the pressure off the actual top part of the bracket, and now it's then just sitting there relying on the key and the pin that goes through the side. Your key in there, rotate, and the bracket comes straight off. Jump onto trailmax.com.au and search rooftop tent. It'll take you to our page for these brackets. Jump on there, order a set, and we can get them out to you for your next adventure.